Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this video. So it's just a real quick video to show you this Autel tool which will work on McLaren vehicles. I'll pop the link to this kit in the description below this video, but we're just going to show you the screens that it will, the systems it will connect to if it's hooked up to a Mclaren GT. So we've got Mclaren GT here. We're just going to use 2020 as an example, and we'll go the 838 as an example. So we're just going to scroll through, and it's just going to show you really the systems that you can diagnose when using this tool. Maybe you're looking for your own diagnostic package instead of having to take it to a garage or a service workshop. But it's going to cover all of the main systems, like you can see here: engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, body control, door modules, seat modules, steering angle sensor, head units, HVAC systems, to name a few more. So those are like, with all of these systems that you see here, you can get into them, you can look at the live data, you can read fault codes, erase fault codes, which should erase the warning light if you've got a problem, providing the problem has been fixed, of course. And then also you can look at module information and a few other bits of information when you're in that system. Okay, so when it comes to the service functions, it will do oil service reset, electronic parking brake reset, and throttle calibrations as well. So that is when hooked up to the Mclaren GT. Now we have made a series of other videos for all of the other McLarens that you may have saw in that list right there. So I'll just go manual selection just to show you them. So these are kind of like all of the McLarens that it will cover. It's got good coverage, really good coverage. And the tool is proving to be really popular because for many years there's been nothing available for McLaren owners or McLaren service shops or garages that can cover McLaren cars. So now it's available. Okay, but it's not cheap, the tool, because of the level of diagnostics that go into this tool, the manufacturers that it covers all of the high end, like Ferraris, McLarens, Aston Martins, you name it. Okay, but it's a fantastic tool. I'll pop the link in the description below this video. I'll pop the email in there as well if you've got any questions. Have a look at the link. We do dispatch it same day, and yeah, we can buy it online. If you've got any questions, please give us a shout. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.